Cateye to the manicures and coffee.
Hello guys, welcome to Nailist. Today we will be doing some Valentine's nails, and I have taken these presents off. Those were from Betty Cora, and they actually lasted for almost a week, and I had to take them off. So I took them off, and now we're gonna do a little bit of prep work, and I'm gonna jump right into some long pre-nails. So I'll be pushing back the cuticles. Taking my A-file, I'm gonna put a sunband on. Tickle my nail. And I will file them down to a nice round shape. Now I'm gonna go with a cuticle bait and push back whatever dead skin is left. I'm gonna trim my cuticles down to where you can't see any dead ones. And I actually love taking my big bead and just, just making everything smooth. Perfect. And what I would usually do is just go on with this pillow coat first, but since my nails are kind of like very soft lately, and as you can see they've been breaking like crazy, like usually my nail bed goes up to here, I'm gonna try to put a barrier in between the pillow base and the jelly tips, so I'm gonna go with a rubber base. So I prepped my nails normally, and now I'm gonna dehydrate them. I'll prime. This is not getting cured, so I'll give it a second to just dry out a little bit. Cheers. Alright, so now I'll go with the rubber base first. I'll cure this for 30 seconds. And now we're gonna start by putting a peel it off base coat from Mocart. I like to keep changing my nail design, so it's good to, be able to remove them and not make your nails go through under a lot of stress. And I'm curing this, and we're gonna put some big tips on. So, yeah, I'm excited. Let me change my butter. Squeezing it down, making sure it's nice and straight. And we're left with something like this. Unfortunately, this is the smallest size of my pack, so I'll have to file it down a little bit. To one bit, and I'm gonna flash my cuticle line. Alright. And now let's jump on the fun part. I'll be starting with my pointer finger. I'm gonna give it a coat of jelly color, which is this from Savland, number 4. I'm gonna put a second coat of this because I want it to be the base for my mirror. And I'm gonna give it a non-wipe top coat and cure for 20 seconds. Now I'll be taking this shade right here. That's a nice rose gold. Now I'm gonna put some top coat on it and cure. And at this point, I'm going to make sure I have no leftover dust, especially if my top coat went on it. There we go. Now I'll be taking some of my stickers right here. Now I will be carrying this, encapsulating the stickers. And I'll place some top coat on my palette. Now I will be taking my acrylic powder. We will sugar coat it. Tap, tap, tap. I'm gonna cure it. And voila. So for my middle finger, we're gonna be giving it clear French tip. That means that we have to put some top coat on the bottom part so that it looks like very nice and almost like liquid form. I never want them to be yellowish, so I'll just take this like UV blocking thing or whatever it's called. Now make sure I cover this number and I'll cure this upside down. Crystal clear. And now we're gonna give it the same color we did on this. Cure. I'm gonna give it a second coat here. And I'm gonna try putting some of this Cateye on. We'll see how it looks first. Okay, it looks pretty fair. Doesn't really go, but that's alright. And we're gonna put some of the previous color to make it fade and pray that this works. Okay. And now, dear friends, we're gonna put some pretty crystals. I'm gonna go with some top coat all around my French line. I'm gonna place it right there. And I'll be putting on some top coat to secure all my gems right here. Now make sure to put a nice thick layer on the clear part of the tip. And here you go. Nice, pretty, princessy, colorless, transparent tip. Okay, let's see how we're gonna make this to match these because they look like completely different. The other mirror powder I had was this color, so I don't think it would look any better. So yeah, let's keep going. I'm gonna give this one a matte top coat. Pretty. Now my plan is to sculpt a 3D heart. I've never used this thing, so it's gonna be fun. Coffee. We'll get a tiny bit of this. Is this a tiny bit? I'm not sure. We're gonna mold it into a little heart. Alright, we're gonna get this in place right here. I'm gonna pinch the bottom of it, squeeze it, and hopefully one of my tools is gonna help me mold a little heart. Like this almost. Right, I think this is looking pretty cool. And I'm gonna buff it slightly because it has my fingerprints all over it. And now I think I want to make it sparkly. Curing and top coating it. So honestly, I didn't really have to erase the fingerprints. They got all covered up. Now for this little pretty one, we're gonna give it a nice pink. This is a different pink. I'm gonna put my normal pink now. The reason I did that is because I wanted a little bit more coverage for my nail bed ending there. And I'm gonna give it a nice ombre right here. Okay. And I think I want to give this a couple of piercings. I'll top coat it first. And for this, I'm going to be using one really thin cuticle bit. And let's say we'll give it 3 of these piercings. Using my fingers in this. Okay. Oh my god, this looks super cute. So now, what we got left is this boy here. I don't know if you guessed it or not, but we're gonna give this a lava lamp vibe. So I'm gonna give it a clear top coat on the bottom. We're curing upside down. All right, so for this here, we're gonna need to have the top and bottom part for the lava lamp using my liner drill. We're gonna use this one to give it a mirror effect. I'll take this pink one again. Here I am curing this. I will make a nice combination of these two colors. Okay, so now I thought maybe just put some of the same color on this heart. And I'm curing. And now all that's left is to put a nice thick booty top coat on the lava. And now the final cure. And cuticle oil.
So, do I like this color combo? Not really. So we're filing down the acrylic powder. And then I'm putting some Cateye top coat on. And now it looks a little more well put together. I'm gonna give the lava lamp the same finish. And now I'm happier about it. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll be happy to do a lot more for you guys. Please don't forget to like and subscribe if you liked it. And I will see you guys in the next one. Stay safe.
She addicted to the manicures and coffee. But don't say that, cause she ain't that. No, she is more than she seems. She addicted to the manicures and coffee. But don't say that, cause she ain't that. No, she is more than